This topic is about 3D Pythagoras. Now I'm just going to quickly give you a quick tutorial on 2D Pythagoras. When two sides of a right angle triangle is given to you, and it has to be a right angle triangle, so when two sides are given, like here for example, you've got the 5 and 7, and I want to work at this side. Now this side here is this for this triangle, it's the longest side. For the longest side, you need to have a plus. So this is what we do. 5 squared, or 5 squared plus 7 squared. You put that in the calculator and you'll get an answer. 5 squared, square root. So on my calculator I can press the square root button. It depends on your calculator, what you've got in front of you. 5 squared plus 7 squared. I get root 74, square root of 74, SD button. Right, I've used plus here because I was trying to find the longest side. But in this problem here, the longest side is already given. And I'm trying to find one of the shorter sides, this one here. So in this case, it'll be take away. Right, don't do 6 squared, take away 10 squared, you'll get a maths error. Right, that's not going to work. Big number first. That's going to be square root of 64. That can be done without a calculator. That's 100. Take away 36 is 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So this side is 8. Right, that was 8.6. The length from A to B. From here, sliced all the way through the cuboid to reach B, that point there. That's what I want to work out, A to B. So what I can do is I can see a right angle triangle sliced inside the cuboid. Hopefully you can see that. The right angle triangle begins right here. That's the right angle triangle. Now, let me just draw that in 2D for you. Right, that's your A, that's the B, and that's the right angle triangle there, right? The only thing I know is this length here, this bit there, which is over here. You can see that right there. That's 4 centimeters. And I want to work out A to B. The problem with this is that I haven't got enough information to be able to apply Pythagoras yet. So I wish I knew what this length is, this one over here. Right. This thing over here, let me just highlight that for you so you know what I'm talking about. Right. This thing over here is actually what I'm showing you right here. So our mission is to work out that one there. So what I can do now, you can see there is a right angle triangle lying flat on the ground. That's 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, there's a right angle. And what we're trying to work out is all of that there. So what we do then is we're going to use Pythagoras. We're trying to work at the longer side, this one here, so it's going to be a plus in our calculation. That's what I get. So that there is 7.81. So clearly all of this thick green line is 7.81. This thick green line is 7.81. All right. So I'm back to our main triangle, the triangle that's sliced inside of the cuboid. I'm able to use Pythagoras now to get this question mark. I'm trying to work at the longer side over here, so it's definitely going to be plus. Right, what I get is, if I round it on my calculator to 3 decimal places, that's what I get. Right, so that's the missing number. That's what we're trying to find.